Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing another dessert recipe, honey tea loaf. You can easily bake and enjoy at home. Let's get baking. Crack 4 eggs into a small bowl. Be careful not to have any shell in the egg. Pour the eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of honey, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Whisk very well with a whisk. No need for an electric mixer. The whisk will do a perfect job. Now add 1 cup of tea. I use 3 tea bags in 1 cup of hot boiling water. Then I allowed it to cool down. In another bowl, sieve in 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of salt. Sieve them to make sure there are no lumps. Then add half teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Whisk it to combine. You can use a fork or a small whisk. Do not use a wet whisk in mixing the dry ingredients. Now pour the dry meat into the wet ingredients. Using the whisk, mix it very well. Do not worry if there are tiny bits of lumps. Be careful not to overmix it. Pour your batter into your already prepared loaf pan. Bake in a 200 degrees preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean and your loaf is golden brown. Now our loaf is baked. While still hot and in the pan, sprinkle and spread some honey all over the loaf. Allow to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes in the loaf pan before turning it out. Wow! Can you see how golden and moist the cake turned out? It tastes delicious too. Check this out. So moist. Make sure you do try this. You'll definitely love it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it. Here you have it, a yummy honey tea loaf. Delicious dessert from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.